Hello students, be ready for maths class. I am Jayesh Patel. Hope you all are well and doing your study properly. Today we are going to learn about some important points on fraction and decimals. In fraction, above part is called numerator and below part is called denominator. On the basis of value of numerator and denominator, we can classify given fraction into first proper fraction, second improper fraction, third mixed fraction. First, proper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 1 upon 4, that is 1 quarter, and 5 upon 6, that is 5 sixths. Here the numerator is smaller than the denominator. These are called a proper fraction. Second, improper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, so it is usually top heavy. For example, 5 by 3 and 9 by 8 are improper fraction. Third one, mixed fraction. A whole number and a fraction combined into one mixed number. For example, 1 into 1 upon 2. Here 1 is a whole number and 1 upon 2 a fraction. So 1 into 1 upon 2 is called a mixed fraction. It is clear, everyone? Very good. Revision of fraction. First, proper fraction. Here numerator is smaller than the denominator. Second, improper fraction. Numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. Third, mixed fraction consists of a whole number and a proper number. Student, please see the given example and diagram also. Next topic is multiplication and division on fraction. To obtain the reciprocal of a fraction, interchange the numerator with denominator. For example, given fraction is 2 upon 3, then its reciprocal is 3 upon 2. Just reverse it. Numerator becomes the denominator and denominator becomes the numerator. Second example, 1 by 7, then reciprocal is 7. Third example, 9. Then the reciprocal of 9 is 1 upon 9. Fourth example, minus 1 upon 15. Then its reciprocal is minus 15. Student, please note the definition of reciprocal. The non-zero numbers whose product is 1 are called reciprocal of each other. It is clear, everyone? Very good. Next, division of fractions. First one, to divide a whole number by fraction. Take the reciprocal of the fraction and then multiply it with the whole number. For example, 5 divided by 2 by 3. Student, please note the change over here. We have to convert the division into multiplication. So, take the reciprocal of 2 by 3 as 3 upon 2. So, 5 divided by 2 upon 3 is equal to 5 into 3 upon 2. Now second, to divide a fraction by a whole number. Multiply the fraction with the reciprocal of the whole number. That is 4 upon 7 divided by 4 is equal to 4 upon 7 into 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is a reciprocal of 4. Now third one, to divide a fraction by a fraction, multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. For example, 6 upon 4 divided by 3 upon 2 is equal to 6 upon 4 into 2 upon 3. Here, 2 upon 3 is a reciprocal of 3 upon 2. Next topic is multiplication of decimals. First part, A. To multiply a whole number by a decimal number, follow these steps. Ignore the decimal and multiply the two numbers. Count the numbers of digits to the right of decimal point in the original decimal number. Insert the decimal from right to left in the answer by same count. For example, first one, 56,789 into 0.01. Student, first multiply 56,789 with 1, which will give you 56,789. In 0.01, after the decimal point, there is 2 digit is there. So, in the answer, from right side, count 2 digit and place a decimal point. That is, it is between 7 and 8. So, the final answer is 567.89. Second one is 56,789 into 0.00001. So, multiply first 56,789 with 1, which will give you 56,789. Now, in decimal point, after the decimal point, 5 digit is there. There is 4, 0 and 1. Total 5 digit is there. So, in the final answer, from the right side, count 5 digit. So, after the 5, put decimal point over there. So, the final answer is 0.56789. Now, B. To multiply a decimal number by a decimal number, follow these steps. Ignore the decimal and multiply the two numbers. Count the numbers of digits to the right of decimal point in both the decimal numbers. Add up the numbers of digits counted and insert the decimal from right to left in the answer by the same count. For example, first one, 123.4 into 0.2. Student, first remove the decimal point. So, number is 1234 into 2 will give you 2468. Now, in first number, after the decimal point, 1 digit is there, that is 4. And in second number, after the decimal point, again 1 digit is there, that is 2. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, in final answer, count from the right hand side 2 digit, that is 8, 6. Now, put a decimal point. So, the final answer is 24.68. Second example, 0.012 into 0.03. Student, first remove the decimal point. So, it becomes 12 into 3 will give you 36. In first number, after the decimal point, 3 digit is there. And in second number, after the decimal point, 2 digit is there. So, total 5 digit. So, in the final answer, from right side, count the 5 digit, that is 63000. Put decimal point. So, the final answer is 0.00036. Is it clear, everyone? Very good. Multiplication of decimal part 2. C. To multiply a decimal number with 10, 100 or 1000, follow these steps. While multiplying a decimal numbers with 10, retain the original number and shift the decimal to the right by 1 place. While multiplying a decimal number with 100, retain the original number and shift the decimal to the right by 2 place. While multiplying a decimal number with 1000, retain the original number and shift the decimal to the right by 3 place. See the example first, 45.36 into 10. So just shift the decimal point between 3 and 6. So the answer is 453.6. See the second example, 8.7654 into 100. In 100, 20 is there. So we have to shift the decimal point towards the right side 2 place. So now it between 6 and 5. So the answer is 876.54. Now third example, 842.6 into 1000. In 1000, 30 is there. So we have to shift the decimal point towards the right side 3 place. So the answer is 8,42,600. It's clear, everyone? Very good. Next topic is division of decimals. To divide a decimal number by a whole number, follow these steps. Convert the decimal number into a fraction. Take the reciprocal of the divisor. Multiply the reciprocal with the fraction. For example, 0.6 divided by 2 is equal to 6 upon 10 into 1 by 2. Here, convert the 0.6 as a 6 upon 10, that is a decimal, into fraction, and take the reciprocal of 2, that is 1 by 2, that is 6 upon 10 into 1 upon 2. Now next, to divide a decimal number by another decimal number, follow these steps. Convert both the decimal number into fractions. Take the reciprocal of the divisor. Multiply the reciprocal with the fraction. For example, 0.75 divided by 0.25. First, convert the given decimal point into fraction. That is 0.75 is equal to 75 upon 100 and 0.25 is equal to 25 upon 100. That is 75 upon 100 divided by 25 upon 100. Now take the reciprocal of 25 upon 100. Which one is 100 upon 25? That is 75 upon 100 into 100 upon 25. Is it clear, everyone? Very good.